this era is one of the eras we all need side hustles most of the times now. Cause adwuma na wo ye no krampo no make us say sika di tua no enso and enso krampo na wo say sika no enye enough krampo. Until most of the times now you end up going online to search for a side hustles are with my and all the heading. Or they are chocky, well, or they are chocky or job or business or the OAB and all that chocky no. But most of the times now you go online and you type in how to make money online. And Charlie, results are when you need videos are watching or online make YouTube has seen. Most of them now Charlie and more when him say Ghana high weight here. A system no a different from Amanoni. The system no is different from what Europe ni Asia and one man. And he say, "Watch video be na it is talking about how to make money online." Na uhu ya na follow and I would chira. Can you say, yeah, system no it's different. Can you join us best here? The hono system ni ye juma 24/7. Has it here and there are some type of way of making money online. So you Ghana ni that's all your wife gonna say ubi chira. Obi no now what we still time cause enye adwuma wa hase the video we measure method of making money enye adwuma Ghana ha any ebia enye adwuma so the be save you time so the be you won't waste your time watching those videos with the system of Ghana no mamenka methods bia onkofo making sika online hase no udi achira you end up wasting your time did you kind freelancing is a good method of making money but maybe so how many of us, and I say, you know, my was saying, if I don't say, be a ope carpenter, and also painter, and also poor beer, or pay a fence, will be a man, mana. Tempana, I banned him say, oh, mamma call fiber, and a mamma call website, be a pay carpenter, man, and bed bomb, maddy mammy. If I don't say, like an homo, yes, I don't know. When can say, yeduma, but who gonna has ya? Ebe farmer, na check. Actually, why never call online so pay carpenter, man, be yeduma? Most of the times now, side you money in a recommendation. So be a recommended will be when you bring them one-on-one no one recommended one. On for more may you mama as a freelancer. See be a software engineer, maybe be a network system engineer, or a hardware engineer, and you can put a different issue. But when you say we now open so a freelancer now, Charlie, obe breach. That's the harsh truth, but make natural. It also say Sovi apps. I'm not saying it's a survey apps into ya. Your survey apps will move to ya. But Charlie, take it from me. Ubedi a chida check and son I want make it daily bread. Now what me take it survey? What take your alcohol some more coins? I must say 1,000 of those coins also our site is equal to we must say $0.1 US. That pay and obenya 50 and also obenya $10 and $5 simple. Unya. It will take you time. Yeah, ya kura wumba ko kra say obekom na threshold now the be withdraw one no krampo esa woso na yes o coins na wanya in a day no krampo no mutimi sa withdraw enti sa no you end up wasting your time survey apps no he so who be okacho say I will teach you how to make money online. Go and download the survey apps and do this masa unya who say ba kwana aduane. Take it from me because I was one of the people that na manage survey apps on bachali. But this survey apps that she's Sikado was saying, and I'm nyai. To be frank, and I'm here to tell you the truth. Some content creators will tell you, and as YouTube has said, they will tell you lies upon lies. So do this and do this. Or not, they why the content in your call. Why would this content you know? The moment I will be who side video no. What diggy say with their farmer. This method I'm becoming one of the best methods I invest in, but I don't know why people find it very difficult to speak the truth. Because some method of making money online, different. Because most of the apps and platforms are for the investing on. They say no, do na kwa scam. Ebi so akwa pyramid scheme, and that's a Ponzi scheme. Ubu honuma a site will catch us or if it's a gold member, silver member, and they only tends to be to now what they say, invest here, Benya say back. Obey ye by the common if you do every draw crime. It be our first investment or be no beyeska. I thought I saw base it was why I buy it may be stay for some period be. Now feed that call. Till the moment I bet you so sick of ma shit. But I say, I'm not talking about the investment where our to be and I say only be in common why invest you at the chronum. And only a different issue. But the car online has say no. A year gun has say no. Sometimes site and go for review be baby. I actually say you can make a year investment on that site, you know. Most of the times now, will be VHD, you know. Now quiet pyramid scheme. Or more top on you now, but the dear we na ya kaya was, you know. The baby now will see come. Because minimum beer, the sika come over $100,000. A cat site in our year door and back. It be seen ne, Nisanyan can sika. It mean case investment, and I say investment in AP. But so be investment now. Can who say Ghana Hana won? Most of the sites in Ankasano, investment sites in Ankasano, legit ones no, it's right. Fake no, and also. And it's all against obey those investments now. Make sure say you are also ready to lose the money because anything can happen. If you want me to scam you, a fact and make a show. And I don't also say investment a year. You won't know unless you try. I bet you one I say enjoy, you won't know unless you try. Unless you try. And this is what try and I say I'm farmer and I say cool. Also don't say a good thing. So one thing I can say about making money online is say you should develop a skills. So what skill set be then there are so many methods of making money. If I saw a driver, what can I say what you be car? Which must I need for Uber? And I say boat a year dreamer and no quite you do see caption some man I be choker or be hunaba that phone so. And I saw you be a when electronics one I say name be a with my start that buying and selling no. We will be a with me so I drop shipping. And don't make I say drop shipping most of the times now I say a year affiliate marketing. But most of the times now Ghana has seen with my local drop shipment and who here say we create account be what Shopify and sana why drop shipment and AliExpress and Abibisa ubeti me ahia se wa ya e bia wo product bi wo Gigi e bia wo product bi wo Jumia with my contact nipa no but I say now why middle person now wo to and I say oh yes so interested and what will be over top what ton am nipa no and only one of the best way you can make money online and no can say making money online it takes time. You see, I mean, we didn't come in. Hey, fan, watch me from YouTube. YouTube is the best way to make money online. It be another part of the can't show. But most of the content creators now, I bet you say, "Koyes hard we, as hard we be most casino." Or no casano, sad no on you, or yes, I don't know. But I just want to watch videos, and you will be getting paid while watching the videos. No, or no. Oh yes, I don't know. And you know, young Casamana, me a chanska. Name no. Or no, or video off, say, oh, video, no, video now. Naja, or no mama video off, say video no. A journey video no bar, Obenya AdSense, Bebo ad Bebo from Nafi Chanica. It is a Nipana, or no cho say, for this method, they making money online. So no mum, and ya. Oh, guarantee be anyhow.